Hi, I'm Robert Wakefield, and I am a supervisor here at Stinar, and I'm going to give you a tour of the facility here. We make ground support equipment for all the major airlines and the United States government. So let's go this way. This is our parts room. We have every part that we put on every piece of equipment is in here, and it's all in order. Starting with the lowest number, going to the highest number. We have nuts, bolts, washers. We have all the hoses. We have everything that it takes to build a piece of equipment. Now if you just follow me this way. This is where we do our assembly work. As you can see out here, we have a stairway. This is a 813BE. It is a towable stairway. It goes up the airplane. People come on, off the airplane. So let's go have a closer look. But this is what it looks like at the top of the stairways. As you can see, we have two other pieces laying there on the floor. Those will be slid together and it will become a stairway just like this. We have a shear. This actually takes a large piece of metal and is sheared into very small pieces. Okay, we're going to take this long piece, and on the side of it here is a tape measure. And you can shear this into 1-inch pieces, half-inch pieces, quarter-inch pieces, whatever size piece you want to do. Put this on here, and we're going to cut it off at 59 inches. Up against the stops, and I should just have you step on it. Comes out much shorter, and I can do that pretty much whatever measurement I want. It'll just keep getting shorter and shorter, but you just whatever size you want, because it's the long way. The long way is 14 feet long, and it's got I can cut as far back as 48 inches. It'll shear it off. This is a Derma press brake. It bends metal for us. This is what it does. Put it in the brake. You step on this pedal, and then it'll come out like this. This is a Ira press. This will take and punch holes like this into a panel. It also will shear off material. Put that in there, step on it. You may have noticed little pieces fall out on the floor. That's where all the punches come from. How we put slots in different types of material. We can put circles, slots like this, and other shapes depending on the die. Okay, this is 3M double-face tape. This is what we use to put our side panels on. This is so strong that you can put this on pieces of steel, and this will actually glue two pieces of steel together. You can drive down a road at the speed limit and it won't fall off. This is that strong. This is another one of our finishing areas. This is a government stairways. It's only halfway put together. We have a long ways to go to put it together, but I mean, it is truck mounted instead of on a cart frame. This is actually a hallway that goes between two sections of the building. Off to your right there is where we store all of our steel, some of our parts. If you come this way a little closer, we have steel lined all the way up and down the aisle here. Kind of got steel all over the place, but this is also a room that on this area over here we actually build pieces of equipment. This part over here is still part of our warehouse. And back here we have a new plasma table. This is for cutting in steel. This will actually take and cut out anything that you can draw on a blueprint. This machine will actually cut it out. If you want to cut out a happy face, it'll cut out a happy face for you. As you can see up here, it cut out little zigzag pieces for us, and these are stops that go on our stairways. Normally we used to purchase them, but with this machine we can cut them out and saves us time and money. Out the back door here, this is going to be our paint shop. As you can see, this is going to be our paint shop. As you can see right now, it's just an empty building, but they'll have an air makeup system put in here to keep the paint fumes away from the painter. It's filtered air, it takes it outside, and it doesn't hurt the environment whatsoever. This will be a paint area. We will be able to paint those big stairways and all the other pieces of equipment that we actually make. Thank you for joining me on our tour of Stinar. Now, I have to get back to work. Thank you again.